What if you could create your own AI-powered podcast? Have AI hosts actually hold conversations, automatically turn those episodes into shorts, and then publish those clips across YouTube, TikTok and Instagram, without recording yourself or spending hours editing? That's exactly what PodShorts is promising. And what's interesting is that this isn't simply another AI video generator. PodShorts is trying to build the entire content-to-traffic system for you. But is it actually worth buying? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what PodShorts does, who I think it's for, the bonuses you get during this launch, the current pricing, and most importantly, whether I think you should actually invest in it. So stick around, because there's one part of this offer that I think makes it particularly interesting for affiliate marketers and content creators. Let's start with the basic idea. PodShorts is an AI platform designed to create complete podcast-style shows from a topic you enter. You choose your niche, create your hosts, enter a topic, and the platform can generate a complete AI-hosted episode. Then it takes that episode and automatically turns it into short-form content. According to the sales page, PodShorts includes 7 AI agents covering things like trend research, AI hosts, episode creation, clipping, content variation, publishing and monetization. So instead of buying one tool for scripts, another for voices, another for video creation, another for captions and another scheduler, the idea is to put everything under one roof. And that's the first reason I think this product is interesting. Because the real problem with content isn't necessarily creating one video. It's consistently creating content every single day. And that's where PodShorts is trying to solve the bigger problem. Here's how the workflow works. First, you choose your niche and create your podcast hosts. You can use ready-made AI hosts, or according to the sales page, you can even create a version using your own face and voice without having to record every episode yourself. Next, you give PodShorts a topic. There's also a feature called Trend Radar, which is designed to identify topics and formats gaining momentum in your niche. Then ShowForge generates the actual podcast episode. And this is where things get more interesting. Instead of simply putting an AI voice over stock footage, PodShorts is designed around 2 AI hosts having an actual conversation. Once the episode is generated, Clip Genie automatically extracts short-form clips from it. The sales page says it can generate up to 15 clips from an episode, with captions and hook-focused formatting. Then the variation engine creates platform-specific variations. And finally, Autocast can publish and schedule content across platforms including YouTube Shorts, TikTok and Instagram. So the workflow is basically topic to podcast to clips to variations to publishing to traffic. And that's much more interesting than simply saying, this AI makes videos. Now here's the feature that caught my attention the most. PodShorts doesn't stop at creating content. It also includes something called Profit Router. The idea is that your content can send viewers toward a monetized bio page containing offers or affiliate links. The platform says you can add your own affiliate links, track clicks, rotate offers and even create episodes around specific products. And for someone who already understands affiliate marketing, this changes the positioning. You're not simply creating shorts and hoping they get views. The idea is create content to attract viewers to send them to your link to track what converts. Now, I want to be very clear here. That does not mean every video will make money. There are no guarantees that your clips will go viral, and there are no guarantees of a specific income. You still need good niches, good topics and content people actually want to watch. But having the traffic and monetization infrastructure connected together is definitely one of PodShorts' strongest selling points. Now let's talk about something you definitely don't want to miss if you're considering buying during the launch. PodShorts is currently offering 6 launch bonuses, with a combined stated value of $832. Bonus number 1 is the first commission fast track. This is a 7-day action plan designed to take you from logging in to getting your first bio link clicks. The stated value is $147. Bonus number 2 is the 50 Proven Show Niches Guide. You get 50 niches rated and ranked based on things like demand, competition, and offer strength. That's useful because one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is spending weeks creating content in a niche that simply isn't attractive. This bonus is listed at a $97 value. Bonus number 3 is the Viral Hook Vault. You get 100 opening lines designed around podcast-style short-form content. The idea here is simple: better hooks can mean better retention. This bonus is valued at $97. Bonus number 4 is probably the biggest one for freelancers and agencies, the Commercial Rights License. The sales page says this allows you to legally sell what your PodShorts machine creates to clients. That's listed at a $197 value and is being included for launch buyers. So you could potentially use PodShorts not only for your own channels, but also as part of a client content service. Bonus number 5 is the Show Owners Community. This gives buyers access to a private community where PodShorts owners can share what's working across different niches. That's listed at $97. And finally, bonus number 6 is the Clip Money Masterclass. This covers additional monetization approaches such as clipping, brand deals, and account flipping. The stated value is $197. Put those 6 bonuses together and the sales page currently lists the total bonus value at $832. And importantly, the page says these are launch bonuses, meaning they're tied to the launch period. Now let's talk about the price. At the time I'm recording this review, the PodShorts Premium offer is listed at $37 as a one-time payment, with the sales page showing a previous stated value of more than $4,805. The premium package includes 5 complete shows, 500 viral-ready clips, platform variations, AI hosts, trend radar, the monetized bio page, built-in AI voice, video, text capabilities, all 6 launch bonuses, training, support, and updates. There's also a larger bundle listed at $317, which adds significantly more capacity, agency features, additional publishing networks, and other tools. But for the average beginner, I wouldn't automatically tell you to jump into the higher package. I'd start with the core premium offer and only upgrade if you actually need the additional scale or agency features. There's also a 14-day guarantee mentioned on the sales page. So if you're interested, you have an opportunity to actually test the platform rather than blindly assuming it's going to work for you. So who do I think should actually consider PodShorts? If you're a beginner who doesn't want to be on camera. If you hate recording your voice. If you're an affiliate marketer looking for another traffic source. If you're a creator who struggles with producing content consistently. Or if you're thinking about offering short-form content services to local businesses. I think PodShorts is worth taking seriously. The commercial rights bonus is particularly interesting if you're thinking about the agency route. But I would not recommend buying this if you're expecting an AI button that magically generates money. That's not how this works. You still need to choose good topics. You still need to understand your audience. And you still need to test what actually performs. The advantage is that PodShorts is designed to remove a huge amount of the production work. So, what's my final verdict? For $37 one time during the current launch, PodShorts is a pretty compelling offer if you're genuinely interested in building AI-powered podcast content and turning that content into short-form traffic. What I like most isn't just the AI hosts. It's the entire workflow. Research the topic. Create the podcast. Generate the clips. Customize them for different platforms. Publish them. Send traffic toward monetized links. And then track what's actually getting clicks. Plus, You're currently getting those 6 launch bonuses, including the commercial rights license, and the sales page says future updates are included as well. Just remember, this is a tool, not a guaranteed income machine. If you're willing to actually use it, test niches and consistently publish, I think it has a lot more potential than another AI tool that simply generates one piece of content and leaves the rest of the work to you. If you want to check out PodShorts, I'll leave the link in the description below. And because this is a launch offer, I'd recommend checking the current page for the latest pricing and bonus availability before you buy. If you found this review useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI software reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.